In this video, I'll go over the exact steps that you need to take to send money from BOTIM to your bank account. To do this, you're going to open up the BOTIM Pay app, and then once you're in the app, what you want to go and do is click on withdrawal, which is on me. So first click me and then withdrawal. From there, go to your wallet and then you will see your balance. And then what you want to do is just enter your IBAN number and the related information, and from there confirm it. Now you will be charged a fee of 2 AED per transaction when you withdraw funds to your bank account. And usually they will arrive within about 2 working days. So again, just look for withdrawal. So in the UAE, they have wallet to bank via ANI. If you see ANI transfer or bank transfer selected, then just enter the bank details, bank name, IBAN, beneficiary name, possibly a branch code or SWIFT code, enter the amount and then just confirm it, and then it will be sent to the bank account. So that's how to send money from BOTIM to your bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.